How to schedule a Google Meet. If you're looking to use Google Meet for video conferencing but want to schedule it for a future date, there's two ways to schedule a Google Meet. The first way is to go to meet.google.com and from the home page, select Schedule a Video Meeting from Google Calendar. If you click this, Google Meet automatically pulls up a Google Calendar invite where you can enter your meeting details, select the date and time for the meeting. Under Event Details, you can see that Google has already created a URL for your Google Meet. The Meet information will be shared within your meeting invite so that others can quickly and easily join the Google Meet. At the bottom of your event details, you can add a description for the meeting, and you can also select the attachment icon, which will add an attachment to the meeting invite. This attachment will also appear in Google Meet, so it's easy for people to reference during the meeting. On the right-hand side, you can add your guests by selecting the Add Guests field and typing in their name or email address. Once you have all your details entered, select Save to save and invite others to the meeting. If we then select the meeting invite that we created, you can see that attendees can easily join the Google Meet by selecting Join with Google Meet. Alternatively, you can schedule a Google Meet directly from your Google Calendar by creating a new meeting for the date you'd like it to appear, entering your details as you normally would, and under Event Details, select Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. Once you click that button, a Google Meet URL is created for your meeting. And that's how to schedule a Google Meet. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.